Okay, so in this video we'll talk about adjusting the decimal places or decimal points in MS Excel. So basically there are two ways of adjusting the decimal places. The first way of doing it is, if you look under Home tab, you'll find this Numbers panel. In the Numbers panel there are two options. One is for decreasing the decimal places. It will show the few decimal places, and the other one is for increasing, that would show more decimal places. For example, if I write 2 in this cell, and if I increase the number of decimal places, if I keep on clicking it, it will keep on increasing the number of decimal places. But if I use this decrease button, it will keep on decreasing the number of decimal places. So that's the first method. The second method is, if you look at this arrow at the bottom of Numbers panel, if you click it, it will open the Format Cells dialog box, and there is this number option given on the left. If you select this number option, on the right hand side it says decimal places. You can adjust the decimal places from here accordingly as well. So if I select 4 decimal places and select OK to close this dialog box, you can see that this cell is now showing 4 decimal places. So these are the two ways to adjust the decimal places in MS Excel, but you need to be very careful when you are adjusting the decimal places if you are dealing with some data that has to be very accurate. Because, for example, if I decrease the number of decimal places to, let's say, 0, and in this cell if I write a digit which is, let's say, 2.9, if I press enter, you will notice that it will round it off to 3. So if you are dealing with data that has to be accurate, you have to make sure that you adjust your decimal places accordingly, because reducing the number of decimal places will round off your digit accordingly. So this is how you adjust the decimal places in MS Excel.